Is it okay to share nudes? Pills? Stretch marks. See my back. Small boobs. Oh my god, what I did. A hormonal reaction. I'm in love with so many guys. I bought him flowers. Hi guys, welcome back to my Chanel. My Chanel. My channel. This is me, Sharmishta Ghosh, and today we are doing girl talk again at sit down. It's like a sit down video which I really like doing. Like I think it's this sit down videos are so good because so many girls are watching me on YouTube and you guys get to know me better and I get to talk to you guys and all this stuff. And the last video I did answering few questions which boys are too afraid to ask, if I'm not wrong, that was the video, and it was Sharbat with Sharmishta, and now I just changed the whole series name into Champagne with Sharmishta. I think it's giving. Sharbat is not giving, like, you know what I mean, like Sharbat is just not me. Like I don't even drink Sharbat, you know what I mean, like champagne is like I don't drink champagne also, but it's giving. So it's champagne with Sharmishta from now. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Before we get into this video is for girls because I'm answering questions which girls mostly are curious about, they want to know about. But if you are a boy, if you're a dude, if you're a man, if you're a guy, tabhi you can watch it, because if you're planning to impress your girl and if you want to know about girls and stuff, you should watch this video. It's not like कि ये नहीं देख सकते वो नहीं देख सकते, nothing like that. And bus, this is just for fun. Don't be like rude to me in the comments and stuff if you don't like a answer which I'm giving, and if you think I'm wrong, it's okay. You do you, let me do me. सबका thought process different होता है, so that's the thing. So without further ado, let's start with the video. And I have 10 questions and 10 answers for them as well. So I'm all comfortable. Let's start with the first question, which is who should pay for the first date? Okay. So the question is, who should pay for the first date? Is it going to ladka or ladki? So I think personally, I believe the guy should pay for the first date because they are the one asking, like, to take you out on a date, and men are like the one who is like provider. And if he is paying for the first date, it shows that he's romantically involved. He wants to care for you, he wants to provide for you and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the thing. Like, I mean, why not? Like, they should do the like pay on the first date. But if you want to split, it's totally up to you. It's okay to split. If you really want to split it. But to be in your feminine energy, you should let the man pay on the very first date, so that they can feel like they are the man. Like, sorry for laughing like that. So yeah, like, man should pay first on the very first date. That's what I believe. And if you want to split it, no issue. If you want to be the one जिसको pay करना है the full amount, do it, no issue. Like, it's up to you, honestly speaking. But if you really want to be in your feminine energy, then let the man be the man. Like, let him pay and let him provide for you for the first date. I'm not saying ki every time you go on a date and you're just eating, like, with his money, or like not giving him anything. If he's paying for your date, like if he's paying for your dinner or lunch or whatever, make sure you are providing him something. Like, maybe you will get him ice cream or like a gift, maybe something. Just like give something in return, so that like you show the gesture of love. So yeah, for me, I will be just like, I'll get him, like, the last time I think I got flowers for a man. Oh my god, what I did! Like, he was really nice. There was this date I was out, and I bought him flowers. I gave him roses. I don't know. I just thought it's just cute, and he really appreciated that. That's the main point. He appreciated that, and he's so grateful about the fact that I gave him flowers. I don't know. Like, it was very nice. So our next question is, do girls masturbate more often than boys? No, we don't. We don't think about sex all the time. Like, we don't. Like, yeah. Is it me answering questions for girls or boys? I don't know what question. Like, I mean, these are the question asked by the girls only. But yeah, girls do not do it more often than guys. At least not me. I don't even do it. Like, not into it. Like, not that. mm, You know what I mean? So no. But there's nothing wrong in masturbating. Okay, so if you are into it, if you want to do it, do it. You do you. There's nothing wrong at all. Like, nothing wrong, nothing. Our third question is it okay to have multiple crushes? Oh yes. Oh, so damn yes. I literally have, like, I'm in love with so many guys at at once. Like, not now, not now. Like, I'm just not into anyone at this moment. But yeah, it's very normal to have multiple crushes, liking multiple guys, or fictional characters, or movie characters, or just normal guys in your area, in your school, in your college, in your work, on social media, like anywhere. Like, it's totally fine. It's totally fine. You can like anyone you want to like at once and appreciate the beauty of it. There's nothing wrong about it. How do you deal with your period cramps? So मेरे साथ जो होता है कि फर्स्ट डे एंड सेकेंड डे थोड़ा बहुत पेनफुल होता है. So I use heating pad, and if I have to go out, I have a shoot or anything. So I eat, like, I like get myself this pills. Like, if it's very intense, or else I avoid. If I'm home, I'm not doing it. I'm not eating or like swallowing any pills. So that is the thing. But if I'm going out, then I do it, and I mostly use heating pads, and I eat very good, like veggies, proteins, chocolates, and I just rest. Like, I don't stress. Like, if even if I have a lot of work and stuff, and I just stress, and I made up बहुत mood swings भी होता है. So I just give up on those days. Like, I don't want to do life. I just want to sleep, eat, be a princess. That's it. Okay. The Now we are on to the fifth question, which is, does stretch mark play a role? Is it bad? It's about stretch marks. Okay. Let me show you. Can you see my back? I got stretch marks, and I got this white things. This is called vitiligo. But do I care? Is it making me ugly? No, it doesn't. It doesn't matter. You are pretty the way you are. Just think of it as a art given by God. Like, just think of it as a tattoo. You just have it. That's it. Doesn't matter. And if someone is making you feel insecure about your stretch marks or pimples or whatever, like the thing you have in your body, in your face, just know that person is insecure, and he or she is reflecting their insecurities on you. So don't be with this kind of people. Don't be associated with negative people who have negative mindset and who are not supporting you, who are not making you feel that you are pretty no matter what, because you are. Everyone is gorgeous in their own way. Okay, so never compare yourself, never be sad about something. Just flaunt it and be confident about it. And once you are like confident about it, you will love your flaws, trust me. So on to the next. What if vaginal discharge comes in a huge amount? It's totally fine, because body में hormonal reactions होते हैं for eating, drinking, weather change. Body keeps changing. बहुत कुछ होता है अंदर. Drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of juice, eat a lot of veggies and good things. And if you still think it's too much, then go see a doctor. Don't be ashamed. It's totally fine and it's totally normal. Trust me. On to the next. What is it? On to the next is having small boobs unattractive. Look at my boobs. It's literally small. Is it unattractive? No, it's not. It can come in different sizes. Like it can be small, it can be medium, it can be large. Okay, it's fluffy, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, and yeah, it's just lovely. Have you seen Zindia? She is gorgeous. She is one of the most stunning human alive, and she doesn't have big boobs. Moral of the story, any shape, any form, boobs are attractive. Doesn't matter if it's small, if it's large. Yeah, it's good, it's pretty, like lovely. And also, small boobs are so cool. Like, you can fit in any outfit without feeling uncomfortable. When you have big boobs, you feel uncomfortable running, wearing a top like this and stuff. Like as a fashion girly, I think my boobs are like giving. It's perfect in the shape, and I feel amazing whenever I wear something. And if you have large boobs, still okay. Slay. Small boobs, slay. Medium boobs, slay. Doesn't matter, all boobs are attractive. Lovely. Mwah. How long should a period last? It can last up to 3 to 5 days, and it can also go up to 7 days. Depends on your body. Okay, everybody is different. Their changes are different. Balance are different. So it's okay if your friend is having 3-day period. Okay, if your friend is having a 5-day period. Okay, if your friend is having a 6-7 days period. Still okay. And if you think something is abnormal, you're not feeling right, then absolutely go to the doctor and always drink a lot of water, stay hydrated. Next is, yeah, does long distance relationship works? मैं कभी long distance relationship में गई नहीं. So I have no clue. मैं When I was in a relationship, I was always doing kareeb wala relationship, still never worked. Okay, like still never worked. I'm single right now. So I think it's about the people, like the two person, how they're managing it out, how they work things out, how they communicate with each other, how they give respect and importance to each other. This is how any kind of relationship works. Doesn't matter if it's long distance or short distance. So yeah, that's the thing. करीब में भी तो काम कर नहीं रहा है ना, तो I don't know. Like it's about the people, to be honest. Like if your man is like, really loyal and really respectful towards you, and you are doing the same, then it will work. And if he's a fuckboy, and if he doesn't respect you, if he doesn't give you time, and if he doesn't communicate with you when he is busy, like he can like literally drop your text or just call you for 30 seconds and tell you what's going on and stuff like that, you can do the same. And this is how things work. Instead of gatekeeping, lying, or like, it's not giving importance, taking things for granted, makes any relationship fail. This red flags. So yeah, just how you do it. Doesn't matter if it's long or short. Is it okay to share nudes? It's not. You can share nudes only if you're above 18. If you really want to share it, like for example, long distance relationship you are in and you wanna spice up things over text or call, share only if you trust the person you're sharing it with. Make sure ki they're not able to save the pictures and videos or whatever you're sending. Maybe use disappearing, or like maybe Snapchat. I don't know, like I don't use Snapchat, but I know like people use Snapchat for nudes and stuff, and it's safe out there, like they cannot save or something like that. So yeah, you can use that. And yeah, but I'll recommend just don't do it. And if you're really doing it, make sure you trust the person and make sure that person is not cheap, their upbringing is good. And yeah, if their upbringing is good and they're not cheap, they will never harm you in any way. So yeah, that's what matters. And saving nudes on your phone is not okay. You never know if you lose your phone or something like that, and who gets it, like you never know किसके साथ, like किसके पास चला जाएगा वो चीज़ें. So yeah, highly recommending, don't do it. And sorry for the noise. Sky, my dog, is shouting a lot. She does this a lot. Like she loves to shout. Sorry for that. And आज के लिए बस इतना ही. It's all 10 questions and the answers which I have given, I guess helpful होगा. Problematic नहीं होगा. People won't cancel me. And yeah, we'll see you in the next on Champagne with Sharmishta. And I hope you guys like this episode. This is the episode 2. And I hope कि next episode में I can bring one of my friends or two of my friends and we can have a lot of discussion, chit chat and all. And if you have any questions, drop that on the comment section. Let's connect on Insta. Let's talk more about girly things. And I love you guys. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Maybe a cafe vlog, maybe something fashionable. But yeah, see you soon. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Love you. XOXO. Gossip Girls.